Good morning to all. It's me, your SST teacher from Leal Public School, Renu Tamboli. Students, in this video, we are going to cover the book reading part of chapter number 5 in SST. So here, first of all, I am going to play a video. Okay, so you just try to see it and recall the chapter. So students, you just see this video and try to recall the chapter.
Houses protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Just like lions have dens and rabbits have burrows, our houses give us shelter. Houses that are strong and last long are called Pakka houses. Kacha houses are not very strong and can be damaged easily by heavy rains or storms. Bricks, cement, iron, sand, glass, and wood are used to make Pakka houses. Leaves, hay, sticks, bricks, and mud are used to make Kacha houses. In places that get heavy rains or snowfall, houses are built with sloping roofs. Tiles are used as roofing material. Let's take a look at the different types of houses found all over the world. Huts are small Kacha houses. They are not very strong as they are made out of mud, leaves, grass, or sticks. A bungalow is a large house with many rooms. An apartment is a tall building with many separate houses. They are usually found in cities. Temporary shelters made by people who travel from place to place are called tents. Tents are usually made of canvas or plastic material. Igloos are shelters built of snow and ice. These are temporary houses built by people living in extremely cold regions like Greenland, Iceland, and Canada. Tree houses are usually found in forest areas to protect people from wild animals. Houseboats are houses that can float on water like boats. You will be surprised to know that a houseboat can have many rooms in it. In India, houseboats are common on the backwaters of Kerala and on the Dal Lake near Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes. So students, now coming to the movable houses. Movable houses, that means ki they can move easily, okay? And like the number one movable type of houses here, houseboat. There are some houses that can be moved from one place to another. Okay, कुछ ऐसे houses भी होते हैं जो one place to another आराम से move कर सकते हैं. Houseboats are houses on boats. Houseboats ऐसे घर होते हैं जो boats पे house बने होते हैं and they float on water, can travel from one place to another. Okay, houseboat काम पे बेटा floating करते हैं, पानी पे चलते हैं जिससे हम ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं वन प्लेस टू नेक्स्ट अनदर प्लेस पर जाने के लिए. Now coming to the tent. People who move from one place to place, people who move from place to place often lives in tents ऐसे लोग जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक ट्रैवल करते रहते हैं वो टेंट्स बनाकर रहते हैं, एंड दीज आर यूजली मेड ऑफ कैनवास एंड कैन बी पुट अप द व्हेनेवर वन विशेस टू कैंप। ओके, जहां पे भी व्हाट वी से कि पीपल एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर जाते हैं तो वो टेंट का यूज करके रह सकते हैं। ओके, नंबर कारवंस। कारवेंस कैसे हाउस होते हैं बेटा? मूवेबल हाउस होते हैं, द हाउसेस ऑन व्हील्स दैट आर पुल्ड बाय अ व्हीकल, है ना, फ्रॉम द फ्रंट। ऐसे हाउस जो एक व्हीकल के थ्रू पुल किए जाते हो, खींचे जाते हो। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट our book exercise part. Okay, so in this question students we are going to write K for material that is used for building a kacha house and P for the material that is used for building a पक्का हाउस। के हमें उस मटेरियल के लिए यूज करना है जो कच्चा हाउस को बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं, एंड हियर वी विल आल्सो गोइंग टू यूज व्हाट वी से कि राइट पी फॉर द मटेरियल दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर बिल्डिंग अ पक्का हाउस। डन। सो नंबर 1 देखो स्टूडेंट्स क्या है ये, number 1 it's a picture of mud, right? So number 1 cement, we will use cement to build pakka house. The next is bricks. Kacha house is built by straw and mud, right? Kacha houses materials like straw and mud, and the pakka house materials cement and bricks. Okay, getting my point? Now next question on your screen students. Let's we see this question once again. देखो पक्का हाउस लाइक की सीमेंट, पक्का हाउस मटेरियल सीमेंट, ब्रिक्स, कच्चा हाउस मटेरियल स्ट्रॉ, mud, then bamboo, and the last one is pakka house material iron, right? Next, write the names of the houses given in the pictures below and which of these houses can float on water, discussed in your class. Okay, so first we will find out the name of these houses. Okay, so number 1 students, number 1 image is here, log cabin, and number 2, number 1 is log cabin, right? Number 1 is the picture of log cabin. अब log cabin बेटा देखो क्या नहीं कर सकता, log cabin cannot float on water, right? Next, number 2 is stilt houses. It's a picture of stilt houses. Next, igloo. Number 3 is picture given here, picture of igloo. Next one is a houseboat. Houseboat can float on water, right students? Okay, so that was our chapter students. I hope you very well understood the book exercise part as well as the chapter reading part, and okay, then we will meet in next class. Till then, take care and have a great day. Bye bye.